Do that audio again. Yeah, ZL4ES, ZL4SY, major scatter there. You sound like you're a robot. Yeah, we're just trying to work out. You said, is Roger going to try 2 meters? I didn't quite catch you. Just lots of scatter there. ZL4SY. Yeah, Roger, I'm videoing it right now, so I've got it on video. Absolutely amazing, double, sort of a double signal over. Yeah, ZL4ES, ZL4SY, yeah, quite interesting there. I'll send you, I'll check this up on YouTube, it's probably the easiest thing to do, and I'll send you a link, and you'll hear, it's just quite amazing. Anyway, I'm going to QSY to 144.2 now, ZL4SY in the group.